Hey guys, Aurora here, and today I've taken over this video just to show you some space. Because I'm from space. I love space. Everything about me is just space, space, space. I do not know why. Anyways, we're going to be looking at the top 2021 posts of all time here on r/space. We'll start off with this one. The speed of light between Earth and Moon in real time. Is there any sound? No. Boom. Boom. It just looks like ping pong to me. But that's actually really fast. Less than just a bit of a second and a quarter. Just goes to show how fast light really is. 1 year ago, I shared my highest resolution picture of our moon. Last night, I created an improved version combining 140,000 pictures, 400 megapixel full resolution linked in the comments. What? Oh, that's so good. Full 400 megapixels. Wait. That's just the same image. That is so cool though. Like, just like the little, like, bumps and all that. The Needle Galaxy is nearly 50 million light years away. I used 11 hours of exposure time to capture it from my backyard. What? The Needle Galaxy? I've never heard of it. What? Is that actually from someone's backyard? What? That is amazing. 11 hours of exposure time. So you literally had to set it up and leave it there for 11 hours. Oh my gosh. And like, here's thinking you need like a giant telescope. Yeah, you just need a giant telescope to be able to see it. But you can if you have a good enough camera, you can photograph it with time. Wow. The image on the left was my first picture of Jupiter I've ever taken. The right image is after 6 months of practice. Hope you guys like the progress. Oh, left is just like, I'm a grenade ball. But the right, oh, you can even see the spot. You can see the spot and the lines. It's like it's lighter in the middle and then it gets darker at the top. Oh. Gas giant. So cool. Where James Webb launch. Or is it? It's a video. Are we gonna send the rocket into space? What? Oh, that's just the things detaching, so the rocket has a much smoother takeoff. I don't...
And liftoff.
I just realized the sound wasn't on.
Tropical rainforest to the edge of time itself, James Webb begins a voyage back to the birth of the universe.
Wait, what?
Punching a hole through the clouds, 20 seconds into the flight, good pitch program reported.
Wait.
Trajectoire nominale.
Birth of...
Vehicle performance is nominal.
world's most powerful space telescope blasts off? What? Oh, that is just... It's so cool that we can launch a telescope into space, like the world's most powerful space telescope. Like, and actually use it to get shots even further out in the universe, and we can actually see more of the universe. We can explore more. We can find other planets to possibly live on. You're gonna be hopefully joining me up there soon. Right now, Mars is closer and brighter than it has been since 2003. It's so bright it's casting a reflection on the ocean as it rises. Took this 2 nights ago in Rhode Island. Wait. Is that it there? Or was that it out there? But sir, or ma'am, that right there is cool. That's the cool thing to me. But if that is Mars right now, I don't know if we should be worried or not. Oh no, that's Mars right there. Oh, I completely missed that. That's Mars right there. And it's close enough to cast that type of shadow. Space, what are we doing right now? We're gonna end up destroying this planet. The descent and landing of the Falcon 9 booster after yesterday's launch. Wait. There's no sound. Let's just see how well it lands. Man. Oh, that's so smart. Having, like, you have that dedicated fuel for this to land, so you can use it again at in a later time, and making things so much more cheaper. Oh. 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 We just it's like a reverse launch. Oh my god, that's so cool. I teamed up with a fellow Aurora to try and make the moon the best moonshot we could. Here is the result. This is just the same as the other pic. Oh, God. Karma whores. Get out of here. Crew 2's 4 astronauts aboard their ISS. Got another video. The sound's on for it. Hey, there's 5 astronauts though. Oh, they're boarding.
Got some
Hello.
that the crew is go for ingress, and you can see Aki is the first to ingress onto the International Space Station.
And Gwyn.
And Gwyn.
Followed by Tomas Gay from the European Space Agency.
The guy just from above, just like, hi.
Pilot Megan MacArthur of Crew 2 is next, being welcomed by the Expedition 65 crew members, and Shane Kimbrough bringing up the rear.
It is fun, like, seeing, female hair float around in space. Because it leads to funny things like that. Oh, I think that actually is male. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I think I might have messed up.
Though we can't even.
It's confusing me.
Really feel the excitement just by the looks on their faces, the hugs that they're giving.
But yeah, you rarely see someone with hair, or like long hair in space. Like, I don't want to say anything wrong right now. Let's just move on to the next post. Oh, we got an update on the James Webb telescope. It completely and successfully unfolded. Okay. Wait, what? 2 weeks after launch, at NASA, Y has hit its next biggest milestone. The mirrors have completed deployment, and the next generation telescope has taken its final form. Next up for Webb, 5 months of alignment and calibration before we start getting images. Oh jeez, I do not know what's going on with me. I drove 1,400 miles, 2,250 kilometers, to put a camera 1,500 feet, 466 meters, from SpaceX Falcon Heavy. It was worth it. Let's see that. Let's see it. Oh yeah. I do not understand. Like, whenever you look at a rocket ship, you can easily make a PP joke. You can make a penis joke with it, because every single one ends up looking like a penis. I do not know why. Why do you guys design them to look like penises? I know it's probably not intentional, it's just the best design, but still, they look like penises. There's so many peni rockets floating out here in space. Flying up there in space. I just finished this 17.5 inch telescope with a vintage mirror from the 1980s. What? Okay, so this is the type of thing you would need with the camera to get that photo from earlier. Oh my gosh. You look like you belong in the 1980s, actually. No offense to your fashion style, but you look like you belong, like, in the 80s sort of era. All you really need is like the puffy hair, and you're good to go in the 1980s. Probably because I've watched a lot of Stranger Things. Humans have just flown a rotorcraft on an alien planet for the first time in history. What? I need to see this.
Grounded at first. It's actually a video, which is great. It's grounded at first and Martian surface and then touching back down. It's amazing, brilliant.
Oh, it's a little... Oh! Oh, it's like a little drone! It's a little drone! Oh! That's... To be honest, that's still a really big achievement. To be able, like, millions of miles away, alien planet... And... it's just Mars. Okay, it's just Mars. Still, a really long distance to fly a rotorcraft from Earth to that planet, to Mars. Like, the signal from Earth to Mars probably should not reach, but it does, and it works. Amazing footage of Earth during a spacewalk on ISS. Oh, we got another clip. Ooh. This is why I love space so much. It's just so beautiful. All you do see there is just ocean, but just down there somewhere there could be a boat, and you wouldn't know. Come on. Where are you actually? Oh, definitely don't want to drop now because you're heading over what might be Australia? Yes, it actually looks like Australia. Oh, it might be Africa. Or it might be South America? I don't know. It just looks very generic land. I do realize my mouse was on the screen the whole time again. Oh, my mind just zoned out and just watched it. We'll skip this one. It's a discussion page. So, astronomers capture first image of a black hole. Oh yeah, that's right. Like, black holes were really hard to photograph. So, yeah. We actually managed to successfully photograph an actual black hole. Wait, I just read the line. The Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, a planet-scale array of 8 ground-based radio telescopes forged through international collaboration, was designed to capture the images of a black hole. Today, in coordinated press conferences across the globe, EHT researchers reveal that they have succeeded, unveiling the first direct visual evidence of a supermassive black hole and its shadow. Black holes have a shadow. What? And the amazing part is this was 3 years ago. Like, this is almost 3 years ago to today. Because it was like, we photographed it on April 10th, 2019, as it says in, well, that wasn't when it was photographed, but that's the date of this document. Does it actually say what day it was photographed? Nah, I'm not gonna bother looking too far. Gotta keep moving forward. And just like that, a space race is born. Boeing CEO, we're going to beat Elon Musk to Mars. Do it. Game on. The space race to Mars, I guess. Like, it's the second it's the second space race, I guess. I feel like they're doing it just for the memes. Like, originally Fortune Tech here did it as a joke, and now it's become an actual thing, but also it's still a joke. The clearest image of Mars ever taken. What? Mars has like nipples. Why is my brain like that? It's probably because it's just stuck with everyone else. Yeah. My gosh. That is quite the gash you got there, mate. Do you need a doctor? Oh my god. Why am I making so dumb jokes? Why am I not able to speak English? By complete accident, I captured the plane crossing in front of our sun. I was able to figure out exactly which flight it was and got connected with the pilot. The pilot, who was thrilled. Why is our sun so red in your picture? And I love that. It's like, like, you decided to take a photo of the sun. Like, you made the sun absolutely red. You basically unintentionally made the flag of Japan. There are things I shouldn't say though. It's just gonna sound racist. That was one of them. It does look like the sun on the flag of Japan, or like the red like candy, like jelly candy that you can get. I took nearly 50,000 pictures of the night sky to make an 81 megapixel image of Tuesday's moon. Uncompressed image linked in the comments. Why does this look so similar to the other ones, but it's different because there's not much color. It's not as zoomed in as well. We'll skip the second one there because it's an April Fool's one. And also, probably not a choice, like, something to do. I love how it's got 202k upvotes for an April Fool's post. I'm 17 years old and just finished building this 14.7 inch f/2.89 Newtonian reflector telescope. Despite its stubby size, it collects roughly 2,500 times more light than the human eye, and is bigger than the scope at my local observatory. Ugh. Stubby? That's a pretty decent size. It actually looks very similar to that other one that we saw earlier. But, like, that one looked way older. This looks way more modern. I cannot believe there are things like this that you can do. It's just like, you can build a telescope at home, have it in your backyard, and get a really good picture of space. I think I might have fallen in love with space a lot more with this one. And that's a surprise considering I am from space. I just love what these people have done here in space. Oh, that's what JWST now. I just got what JWST stands for in the top part here now. The James Webb Space Telescope. Anyways, I'm going to end this episode here. Links will be in the description to this channel and also TRScientist's main channel for you guys to go check out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know next when it comes out. Ding, ding. I'm Ava, out.